Hello, welcome to English for Construction, and let's play Hazards in Construction Site. Hazardous waste is waste that poses substantial or potential threats to public health or the environment. Hazardous waste needs to be sorted and dealt with properly. Fall off. To drop or come down freely under the influence of gravity. Sometimes people fall off scaffolding, ladder, or roof. Watch out. Used for warning someone of danger or an accident that seems likely to happen. Watch out when trucks are loading or unloading. Unsafe lifting. Dangerous or a risk. Unsafe lifting can cause accident. Open shaft. All the open shafts must be carefully covered. Hazardous waste. Fall off. Watch out. Unsafe lifting. Open shaft. Hazardous waste needs to be sorted and dealt with properly. Sometimes people fall off scaffolding, ladder, or roof. Watch out when trucks are loading or unloading. Unsafe lifting can cause accident. All the open shafts must be carefully covered. Okay, that's great. Remember, if you want to remember these words forever, then listen to them at least 200 times. Can you do that? And remember, click subscribe button below to learn more about English for construction. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.